Have you ever heard something so weird and funny that you just had to repeat it? La Booba! What is that? It's not a song, not a word, not a cartoon. It's a new viral sound that took over TikTok and YouTube. In this video, we'll tell you where La Booba came from, how it became super popular, and why millions of people can't stop saying it. It's a true internet explosion. It all started with one random TikTok. Someone posted a silly little video where a cartoon creature says, La Booba! No meaning, no context, just fun. And guess what? People loved it. They started copying it, adding dances, making memes, and just like that, a new trend was born. Imagine waking up, opening TikTok, and boom! La Booba everywhere! Characters are dancing, laughing, dubbing their pets, and even fridges with it. It's like Skibidi Toilet or Sheesh! But now there's a new king, La Booba. Why did it become so viral? Because it's simple and silly. The sound means nothing, but at the same time it means everything. It makes you smile instantly. It's like something a cartoon sidekick would shout out. Picture Patrick Star yelling it instead of SpongeBob. Kids, teens, even adults jumped in. They added it to dances, funny videos, voiceovers, 3D animations. Even dogs and cats became part of the trend. And some of those pet videos, millions of views. One guy made a video of his dog growling to La Booba. Boom! TikTok famous. A girl made a superhero skit where her character yells La Booba instead of attack. People use the sound however they want, and that's what makes it awesome. Then things went next level. Full-on animations. Cute 3D creatures with big eyes saying La Booba, running, dancing, building whole worlds. Yep, the La Booba universe is real, with its own characters, cities, and even fake language, like Marvel, but way more chaotic. But it's not just a meme, it's proof that one silly idea can bring people together. Everyone's tired of serious stuff. La Booba is like a short burst of happiness. It's a mini party on your screen. Remember Nyan Cat or the Harlem Shake? People said, what is this nonsense? But boom! Millions of fans, memes, and even t-shirts. Same thing is happening now with La Booba. It's more than just a sound, it's a vibe. And the coolest part, anyone can join in. You don't need to be a YouTuber or have a fancy studio. Just grab your phone, get creative, and boom! La Booba is your chance to go viral. Sounds crazy, right? But that's the magic of the internet. One funny sound and suddenly you're smiling. No deep meaning, just pure fun. And now La Booba has gone global. Japan, USA, Ukraine, everyone's making their own versions. It's a new language of fun. No translation needed. Dear friend, if you like this story about La Booba, don't forget to like, subscribe to, and write in the comments how you first heard this funny sound. And there are even more colorful stories, cartoon characters, and weird trends ahead. See you in the next video. See you soon, and don't forget, there is a little La Booba in each of us. La Booba!